So my Jeep's got this movable vent window. We used to call it fly window or a smoker's window. It's not original with the Jeep. These only came on like I think 86 to 94. Don't quote me on that. But found a set at a junkyard. Friend talked me into putting them on. I didn't like them at first, but now I can't live without them. Now I got this going on. You can see right here. It kind of broke off the thing, and it could do that. But when I open it, it's just kind of flopping in the breeze. But had to do a search, found one, had to drive an hour to get it. And so now we're going to put it on. And to put it on, we got to take the door panel off. If you haven't seen my video on how to remove a door panel, I'll put a card to it up here. And then you got to take these screws out here. And then it should just come out. To do this job, we need a Phillips screwdriver, a nice large one, that one, 10mm socket, that one, your favorite panel tool, and a little zippy zap. So you just take the screwdriver. See, I got too big of a screwdriver. Take a smaller one. There's a difference on the screwdriver heads. A good old drill with a 3/8 bit will get it. Alright, so we're taking this screw here out. Yeah, push in pretty tight and turn. It's coming out pretty good. Same one on the top. See in that hole there's a bolt, 10mm. Didn't really get it on film, but you just kind of pry it up a little bit with this thing. Get underneath it and just pull it up. These clips are what holds it in. I'm having, I don't know if you can see it, but the window's stuck in the open position, which makes this little oblong washer here turn out, and it's caught in a little lip on the door. Thinking about getting a pry bar and trying to spread it open just a little bit, or maybe grab some pliers and see if I can close it. But I think I'm going to take this glass out because it's in my way. Before you put it in, you want to oil this up real good. This whole thing here, up in here, the hinges. You just want to make sure it's working decent. The last thing you want to do is put more broken stuff in your Jeep. Now, let's see. Oh yeah, it works really well. some of the rubber didn't get inside the door. It's soft and easy to manipulate. Take your time, push it in there. Well, got all the rubber in on the inside. Silicone lubricant. Alright, so this movable fly window, or vent window, or front vent glass, I've heard it called many things. We used to call it the smoker's window because you pop it open and that's where you flick your ashes out. But I don't smoke, so I use it as redneck air conditioning. So there you have it. The fly window, available from 86 to 94, I think, on select vehicles. So if you can find a set in the junkyard and they're in good shape, grab them, because they're worth their weight in gold. And they're getting harder and harder to find. You don't need to take the door glass out to get it in, although I think that might make it easier, but I didn't have a problem. It just took me an extra 10 minutes to finagle it in, trying to get the door glass in between there. When you first start, just get it in there and then it'll slide in. Either way, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down. Leave a comment down below. Love to hear from you guys. Got some time to kill, check out this video. Got some more time to kill, check out that video. And always, thanks for watching.